Today we're going to play with the counting koala. You can see here it has little balls in its hand that you can turn and see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls that he has in his paw. Let's spin it. Wow, spin, spin. Now it is on the teal side, which is a blue, a teal. Wow. Up here we have his crinkly ear. Everyone listen to the crinkle. Crinkle, crinkle. In the middle we have his nose. Then he has his 2 eyes and 1 mouth. Good job, koala. On the side we have his long coconut tree of numbers. At the top we also have 3 different shapes with different colors inside. It also spins. Let's spin, koala. When we
music time.
Wow, when we spun the colors up here, he made a funny noise down in his belly and it lit up. Wow. Spin again.
3 shapes spinning in the leaves. 3 shapes. Count them 1, 2, 3.
Wow, we counted the shapes with koala. He told us we have 1, 2, 3 shapes. Can anyone help me figure out what shapes we have? Thanks. We have a green triangle, a red square, and a blue circle. So we have a green triangle, a red square, and a blue circle. Well done. When we look at the bottom of his palm tree, we have numbers 1 through 10. The first number at the top is 1. 1. Then we have a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Now let's look at the colors. We have green, red, orange, blue, yellow, teal, pink, orange, blue, and yellow. Everyone, well done. Let's click each letter and see what koala tells us. Let's click each number and see what koala tells us. Start with number 1. Silly.
1.
He told us it's number 1. Let's try 2.
2. 1, 2,
3.
3. 1, 2, 3.
They light up.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
6.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Next, we're going to go to number 7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow, thank you, koala. Now number 8.
8. 1, 2, 3,
number 9.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And finally, number
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow, thank you, Koala, for helping us with all the numbers. Thanks for playing with us today, Koala. I'm going to turn the tree at the top with the shapes and see if there's anything else you'd like to say.
Hello, friends, how are you today? Are you ready to play? Let's crunch it right away.
Wow, what a beautiful song, Koala. Thank you so much. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.